Unitree just unveiled its latest humanoid robot, Superman. It can achieve a 2-meter standing high jump and a top speed of 12.66 meters per second, with a leg length of just 0.85 meters, surpassing human records in both standing high jump and running speed. Just 1 year ago, Unitree's robot could run at around 5 meters per second. By April this year, that number had already reached 10 meters per second. Now, Superman is faster than Usain Bolt's peak speed, and it was developed in just 3 months. So what will the next version be capable of? Embodied intelligence is evolving incredibly fast. If you want to be part of the future of robotics, join the Robotics Developer Masterclass. Master robotics from the ground up.